Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 508 Fastback in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there's full LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got a half leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control. There's also speed limit recognition and blind spot detection. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The car's done under 12,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.